Good morning, treasurers. This is your host, Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 20th April 2021. In the international market, nothing major in the US market. 10-year US benchmark closed at 1.61 percentage points and 30-year closed at 229 percentage points on Monday. We at Night Research were experimenting and now we are finally live with this interesting column. Did you know? Where we will be informing you on the notable global events which needs your attention. Did you know that on 20th April 2020, German 10-year was at minus 0.45 percentage points. On 20th April 2021, 1 year later, German 10-year is at minus 0.23 percentage points, an increase of 22 basis points from last year, and now the European economy is opening up once again. Did you know that Turkish benchmark 1 week repo rate is at 19%? In the crude oil market, crude is trading at 67.21, short-term range for crude 65 to 69, Knight's position holding long at $60 per barrel with 11% gain. We intend to hold this position until next month's easing of oil production cuts kicks in. In the currency market, dollar index at 91.04. Yesterday only we discussed that DXY's 9130 support level has not been tested for weeks, and here we are below 9130. DXY's today's range seems to be 90.69 to 91.61. Whether 91 is supported or getting breached is to be seen. Below 91 there is a lot of weakness. Once again, Night Research was able to guide our investors on fizzling out strength of dollar index. USD INR or Chinese Yuan is at 650. USD INR with a high of 75.05 closed at 74.87. USD INR's range for today seems to be 74.75, 75.10. We expect USD INR to touch 74.70 once today based on the market openings. In the domestic market, the positive vibes from Friday's GSEC auction where RBI rejected all the bids for 585 2030 continued. 515-2025 closed at 553 versus 559 the previous trading day, a 6 basis point fall. 585-2030 closed at 608 versus 609 the previous trading day, almost trading in a very narrow range. The signal from the last Friday's auction is clear. 10-year yields to be anchored around 605 to 615 for near term. 19th April 2021, which was yesterday's SDL auction analysis. 10-year Rajasthan at 682, Arunachal Pradesh at 684, Nagaland at 685, 30-year Telangana at 689. In last couple of auctions, we were seeing 675-680 range for auction cutoffs. This time it has crossed 680. Remember, we had a very loud and clear sell SDL call a couple of weeks back when 10-year SDLs were trading near 675. We still maintain the same stance. Get out of SDL now and re-enter again later. Please note that due to near lockdown situations in many states in India, the finances will be under stress, and as majority of the states have not started borrowing calendar yet, they will have to increase their borrowing sooner. 10-year SDL is at 680, whereas 10-year GSEC is at 608. Hence, 10-year SDL versus GSEC spread is at 72 basis points, and it can surely rise above 100 basis points in couple of quarters. We have seen that happening repeatedly, and that will happen once again. That's it for today. You are listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. On account of Ram Navami, markets will be closed tomorrow. See you on Thursday with a new episode of Night Snippets.